Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a while, long time no tutorial video. So if you're new in this channel, you are all welcome. My name is Jennifer. I'm a hairstylist based in Nigeria. So in this video, we are going to be defining a pixie coil. We're going to be defining a pixie coil. This is actually what pixie coil looks like after wigging, like assuming you got it as a bundle. This is what it's going to look like after wigging. It's not given, so you have to fluff it out, add that coils, define that coils, I mean, not add it. So this mixture I'll be using to detangle it contains conditioner and water, pure water from God, of course. So I'm going to be drenching this hair with water before brushing it out. So this is me brushing out the coils out, brushing it out with normal hairbrush. I'm going to be doing that from top to bottom, top to bottom, top to bottom, top to bottom. Then my stand is messing up. I have to do that offline. So this is what it's going to look like after brushing. Then Nepa decided to mess with me. There was no light, so I wasn't able to style the front part, but let's just go into defining the coils because that's what this tutorial is all about. I'm just going to just part the hair. Is just a normal middle part. This is a 4x4 closure, by the way. I'm just going to like define the pattern, so that's what I'm going to do because there is no light. If not, I would have shown you guys how to properly lay the 4x4 closure. Okay, probably I will do that in another video. So let's go right into this video. I'm going to be using an octopus brush, of course, in my favorite color purple, to define this coil. So the next thing you're gonna do is to partition the hair. Okay, partition it into different sides. So you are not going to do that together, like you're not going to define the coils together. So you're going to partition it and cut the hair into little is not quantity, just section it into a small part, drench with water and go in with your octopus brush. So that's basically what I'm going to be doing in this video. Plus then the mixture still counts. You have to like make the hair really wet. Your conditioner, your water is really important. I also added a little amount of mousse in this mixture to properly define the coil. Then I'll go in with my octopus brush. Remember from bottom to top, not top to bottom, from bottom to top. Yeah, so that's basically what I'm going to be doing for this video. So you guys should stay tuned, and if you find this video helpful, please share to your friends, your family, share on WhatsApp, Instagram, anywhere you can. Like the video, subscribe if you are not yet subscribed. All right. So guys, this is the final look of the defined Pixie toys. So tell me guys, which look do you prefer? This or this or this last one? So let me know in the comment section which look you prefer. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Bye.